Umentri katanat ka koi ka khia ha ka jilla u James Sangma u loong ba u habban bishar bnia ya ki jingmentoi ba ki jingdu jingmentoi halo ka jingdawa balapan singau dau MLA ke BJP na panthor umkra u Bah AL Hek ha ka bedei ban ailat ya ki doktor ki bashakri ha ka ni ka jilla bekinyo ban thiet jakalang ha ka ni ka jilla halo ka ni umentri u loong ba u Bah Hek labon snem u labat kum umentri jong katanat ka koi ka khia ka jilla ba lada udon chisha ka jing saukia halo ka ni uladi banle nadu ka por jong u.
Well, that's a suggestion given by him. I will just say this that we'll have to examine the merits or the demerits of this. But he has been health minister for a very, very long period of time, and if he were so concerned about this, he should have taken this up earlier when he was health minister. But nevertheless, I just want to say that any kind of suggestions that come from our honorable MLAs or leaders, we are very open to them, and we will get this examined. And as I said, everything has its merits and demerits, so we'll have to explore which ones outweigh the other, and accordingly we'll take a call.